Anthony, the HVAC technician. 6'1", based out of Brooklyn, New York. He's ready to fight. Get his hands on him. Ooh. Ooh. Get in your corner, get back. Oh, the disrespect. Are you ready? Can you handle it? Anthony, how are you feeling right now?
Incredible. I'm going to kill this joint.
Oh.
Maintain good sportsmanship throughout the entire match. You're good. Obey the ref's orders. Max, you understand?
Yes.
You understand? Push gloves. Go back to your quarters.
Fight has started. Oh, go. They're grappling, they're going in. He wants to win, Punch him. Oh yeah. Body shot. Master Radiologist is getting destroyed. Go, still going. Yeah, oh, he's on the floor, get him! What is he fucking slapping?
Oh my god, I'm sorry, I don't know what the rules are.
Fucking punch him. Oh, he's got his leg! Grappling! Go. Punch! He's nimble, he's quick. He wants to win. Good hit. Whoa, what a kick.
Keep going.
He's good. Max attack.
Oh shit.
Oh, what a punch from Anthony. Kick mix. He's tired, but he's ready. Get him, Anthony, yeah. Ooh, he's nimble, he's quick. Oh, what a fucking hit.
What are you doing? I don't know.
Punch him. Oh, shit. Oh, he's dodging, he's weaving.
I don't know.
He can't get any hits on though. Master Radiologist cannot get hits. Round two starting. HVAC technician coming in with a new mentality. He's swinging. Oh, a nice hit. Oh, what a kick. Perfect counter from him. Dodge, weave. Bad kick. Ooh. Left, right.
Aggressive. Whoa. Too slippery. They're coming at the range.
Yo! What a punch from the HVAC technician. Oh. The radiologist, aka the goober. Oh, push him out of the ring. He's on the floor. Go get him. Oh!
Do something. Holy fuck, do something.
Go punch him. Why are you? 360. He got that from John Jones himself. Oh, headlock. Punch. Third and final round starting now. Fans are speaking. Round is cut short, sadly. We have some issues with the fighters, but it's all good. Ooh.
Okay.
That's good.
Slippery.
Oh, what a kick. Holy. That was a nice kick. Foot.
I don't know. You gotta put some pizzazz in there.
Leg kick for the ages. Holy shit. Check it. Oh! Right in the fucking noggin.
I don't know.
Grappling.
That's not allowed.
Yes, it is. It's always allowed.
You alright? Anthony, remember when you dropped Max on the stairs? Oh yeah. Do that again.
Don't give up. Keep your distance. Punch.
Follow your dreams.
Fight's not over, Anthony. Do you want to lose? You want to be a loser? Ooh. It's okay, little slip. It's all good. Oh, what a kick. Holy. Ooh. Oh. Anthony.
15 seconds, come on, get last points, get last points in.
Didn't even get any points.
Stay in, run in, run in. It's good, it's good. Hit. Get your last points in. Get as many hits as you can. Master Radiologist hitting well. Go, go, go.
Big decision. Judges have voted. Okay. Coming out of Brooklyn, New York, by unanimous decision. HVAC technician. Lap it up. Yes, sir, he won. Good fight.
I hate the radiologist.
Anthony, the HVAC technician.
Yes, sir.
He lost the nose, but he got a victory.